I am a student of BS Dental Technology at Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences. I chose this program because it combines science, technology, precision, and creativity. As a dental technology student, we learn to create high-quality dental restoration that involve passion, confidence, comfort, and quality of life. One of the biggest strengths of this program is its practical learning. At Rehman College of Allied Health Sciences, we receive hand-on training in modern dental laboratories and gain clinical experience under the guidance of high-qualified dental professionals. This helps us to build the skills, accuracy, and confidence needed in our profession. If you want a career where science meets innovation and your work creates healthy and confident smile, then BS Technology at Rehman College of Allied Health Science is the right choice.